Hello everyone, today I will show you two easy half up half down hairstyles and one easy updo for Christmas, and the best thing, you can do them in under 10 minutes. So let's go. If you want, you can curl your hair, but it's not necessary. I just think it's super cute. Part your hair in the middle or do a side part, whatever you prefer, and then part off a small piece of hair from the front of your head and part this piece into two even strands. Now take a small strand of hair from the top of your head, like this, and put it in between those two pieces. Now take the bottom piece and put it over the top piece. Now simply repeat those steps over and over again until you reach the back of your head. If you need help with this technique, I did a tutorial on how to do a twist waterfall braid, so feel free to check it out. When you reach the back of your head, just clip it in place for now, and now do the same thing on the other side. When you're done, secure both braids with an elastic. Now you want to do the same thing again, but a little bit lower, so part off a small section of hair from the front of your head, part it into two, and start doing a twist waterfall braid. Clip it in place for now and do another waterfall braid on the other side. When you're done, secure both braids with an elastic. You can do as many waterfall braids as you want. I'm just gonna do two. This is the finished hairstyle. This one looks so good with curls, but you can also add accessories, for example a bow at the back. The next hairstyle is again a half up half down hairstyle. Part off a slightly bigger section of hair at the front of your head and part this section into two even pieces. Take the right strand and put it over the left one. Now twist it towards the right and take the right strand, add some hair to it from here and put it over the left one and twist it again towards the right. Now again add hair to the right section and put it over the left one. I already have a tutorial for a twist braid. The difference here is just that you're adding hair on one side, but you can check the tutorial out if you want. Before you secure it, you're going to loosen it up and pull it out a little bit so it's bigger and messier. Now do it on the other side. Now we have 2 twist braids on each side, and we're going to take them and knot them at the back of the hat. Then I just take the ends and wrap them around and kind of tuck them in a little bit. I don't really have a technique for this, so just do whatever works best for you. You can also put it in a ponytail instead of knotting it. This also looks super cute. Now just secure it with a few bobby pins and then you're already done. And this is how the hairstyle looks. This one is super pretty and you can of course change it up however you want, for example taking out pieces in the front to frame your face. For the next hairstyle you will again need those twist braids as we did before, so I'm just gonna leave mine in, but you can of course rewatch the scene where I showed you how to do them. Brush or comb the hair that's not in the braids and then take an elastic and do a low ponytail. However, you're not going to pull the hair through completely at the last go, just about halfway to create a loop like this. Then just take the ends and kind of twist them a little bit and wrap them around the elastic. When you're happy with how it looks, just take a few bobby pins and pin the bun in place. Now take the twist braids and place them over the bun however you like, and then also wrap them around the bun. And when you're happy with how it looks, just secure it with a few more bobby pins. And if you want, you can make it a little bit messier by pulling out a few strands and making it in general a little bit looser. And that's the last hairstyle for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I hope you're all having a great Christmas time. See you on my next video. Bye!